How to use the 1001TH-A thermostatic remote made by Skytech. First off, it shows constant room temperature in the display. The next one you're going to have will be on, which will run, that runs continuous. The flame will run continuous, non-stop. Off, that means it will not, the logs or heater or whatever is connected to will not come on. If you go to mode, you see the room word comes up in the corner. It still shows your room temperature at 70 degrees. That puts it in thermostat mode. To change the thermostat setting, you hit set. If it's your first time operating it, it's going to default to 45. So if you hit set and hold it down, just hold the set button down, you see it's changing. You can set it at whatever temperature you want. In this case, it's 68 degrees. It flashes twice and it locks it in. So that is when it would get to 68, give or take 1 to 2 degrees. Your logs or heater or whatever is connected will come on at the corresponding temperature it's set at. And to review what you had it set at, you just hit the set button. Room temperature currently, set that temperature that you have it at. Constantly, like the difference on is, you see there's no room temperature in the corner. That means it runs continuous. And when you hit mode, thermostat mode, that shows you that it's working at the set temperature that you program the remote at. If you would say wanted it at 68, and by mistake you'd go past that point, no problem. You just have to hold it down. It goes back to 100 and resets at 45. And then you can reset it at what temperature you'd like to have it at. Then it'll lock. After 2 flashes, it locks it in. Room temperature showing. That means you're ready to sit back and relax.